I'm Kitten, and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. Today, we're going to be learning how to properly cut a chicken. Well, a raw chicken, actually. This can be carried over to any other bird, including turkeys. But let's get cutting. That's a lot better. Now, in order to cut a raw chicken, I'm going to need my table cutting board, chicken, and knife. Can I please have them? By the power of YouTube! Oh, wow! I got my chicken! Thank you so much, YouTube Magic. You're gonna want to start cutting your chicken by having the legs up. Now remember, whenever handling raw chicken, always wash your hands after you're done handling it. So first, what you'll want to do is carefully take your knife, and it's okay to ask an adult for help with this. And carefully cut a slit at the legs just to get the skin off. Like this. And then you'll want to repeat that on the other side. Then you'll want to bend back your leg. Now if you need to cut more, that's totally fine. I need to. And then you'll want to bend it back just enough so that it lies flat. There, just like that. Then, if you do it even more, then it'll reveal the joint that you need to cut around with your knife to remove the leg. Now be careful when you're cutting with the knife blade up because you could slip. But now what you'll want to do is, now once you reveal the joint, you'll want to cut around the leg, and then the leg should come off nicely. Now this step is a bit tricky, and it may get a little gross in the process. And if you do it right, the leg should come off in one piece. Ta-da! Perfect! And you'll want to repeat these same steps on the other side. Now, I've removed both of my chicken legs, and now it's time for the wings. What you'll do is make lots of tiny cuts to find out where the joint is, and then you'll want to cut off the joint. And you might even be able to feel where the joint is, and make lots of little cuts. And ask an adult for help when cutting. And then once you find the joint, you'll bend the wing back and then cut like you did the leg. And this may take a while. Don't cut me, please! Don't cut me! Don't be such a chicken. Oh, never mind. My hands are getting a bit slimy. And remember, if your hands are getting a bit slimy, always go and dry your hands off, because knives and sliminess are not a good combo. And then just continue cutting. This chicken is being very stubborn. I found it! Yeah! And then just bend it back. And this is a bit harder than the leg, but just cut it off. But do not hit the bone. I finally found where I should cut. right between the joint. Perfect. Hi. And repeat that for the other wing. Now it's time for the breasts. So on your chicken, where the legs used to be, that side up, you should see the breastbone. It's almost indicated by a little line. And you'll want to cut right alongside the bone, keeping your knife on the bone. Because the more you keep along the bone, the less meat you'll get on it. And you want to go all the way down. So then once you've cut most of the way down, you'll want to cut almost a triangle on either end and then cut around the rib cage. There is not a way to mess it up, so don't worry if it's not perfect. All we need is the bone. So as you can see, I have my chicken breasts, and then I have my chicken tenders, or as I like to call them, chicken tendies. I'm going to put these off to the side because I'm going to make chicken tendies for dinner. Yum, yum, yum. And you'll want to repeat these steps on the other side. This is how you properly cut a raw chicken. You can either throw away the carcass or you can keep it and roast the bones for chicken stock, which is going to be an upcoming video. So make sure to like and subscribe to find out when it's coming up. Kitten signing off.